creator of Myssage, myofascial release technique, and I'm here to offer a video to you today from the balcony of my hotel in Taxco, Mexico. I've been traveling in Mexico with my family, and today we wandered around town. Taxco is a town that is built into a mountain, and it's very steep. We wandered around town up and down through these very narrow kind of cobblestone streets for hours this morning, and so again I'm feeling some discomfort in my calves going up and down so much today. And so I'm going to show you a travel tip, Myssage travel tip for releasing some of the tension in the calves, behind the calves, specifically behind the knees. So find a place that you feel comfortable, lie down on your back. You'll only need one Myssage ball at a time. These Myssage balls have these little knobs on them, and so what you'll do is you'll lift one leg and bring one of the little knobs just to the very top of the calf muscle, and then gently close your leg to create a small amount of pressure. This is the insertion point for the calves into the back of the knee, and this is where I'm feeling the most discomfort right now. And then you're just going to gently interlace your fingers on the front of your shin and pull back just enough to create some pressure. And then under that pressure, you're going to gently point and flex your foot. And you may want to do circles. And then once you're done with that, then you can inch the Myssage ball down a small bit and do the same thing again. Just drawing it in, creating just enough pressure, and then point and flex. Ooh, that's where it is, right there. Right in the meat of the muscle. So for some people, maybe the point or the knob might be a little bit too strong, and if that's the case, then you can kind of straddle the muscle between two knobs. So I would place the two knobs on either side, and they straddle the muscle or the insertion. And the same thing, only this is just a little less of a pinpoint. Just a little less. And so maybe you would start off with the two knobs to soften it up if it's really extreme. And then if you, as you're hunting along the back of your leg, you feel any points of gold, you can switch it to the one knob to really come in and pinpoint something that really needs your work. And again, it takes a little bit of practice, a little maneuvering with the balls, but with practice, you will get better and better at becoming more aware of how to place the balls, and it becomes easier and easier. And then you of course do the other leg. So that's your travel tip for today. Thanks for joining me.
gusta la carne, ¿eh?